Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. If you're new here, my name is Talia and today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my desk. So this is the current desk setup that I'm using right now, and I use it to do everything from making my YouTube videos. I also like to plan out my schedule on Notion, or I'll break out my iPad and use my digital planner to plan things out on there as well. So if you guys want to see the things that I keep on my desk and how I organize everything, then keep on watching. So this is my desk. Here's a closer shot of my setup. So the first thing that we have is my Lenovo Q27 27-inch monitor. And I really love this monitor because it has a screen that's just big enough to be able to see everything that I'm working on without taking up too much space. It also has this aluminum stand it's like a base, and I just like this because you can kind of put stuff on it and it really gives it a nice clean sleek look. Plus the monitor is super thin on the sides, so it's really not bulky at all and barely takes up any space, which is really nice and just makes my desk look so much better. Next we have my typewriter keyboard, which I got from Amazon last year, and it makes my desk look so good. I love it because it kind of reminds me of a makeup palette, and it's just so colorful and bright, which is definitely me. This keyboard also has different settings so that you can change the lighting on it. The lighting doesn't come in different colors, it's just this like standard white lighting, but it's really cool because it lights up in different ways. So it's just really fun to look at and play around with. So I don't really recommend this keyboard if you need super fast typing, but I just got it because I love it for really aesthetic reasons. It's not a bad keyboard at all. It's just a little hard to get used to this, but once you're used to it, it really isn't so bad. The mouse that I'm using is this Logitech mouse, and I've had it for a couple years, but I brought it out now because it's wireless and you can just connect it through the USB port in your computer, and it's just a really nice tiny mouse, but I am looking to upgrade to something bigger at the moment. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments what your favorite mouses are. So my desktop monitor is actually connected to my MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar. I connect it using this. This is an adapter for it, and it has different ports. So I have my charger connected there. Then I have my keyboard. This is my Logitech mouse. And then in the other USB-C port, this is how I connect my monitor to the MacBook so that I'm able to see what's on the MacBook on my desktop screen. So here they are side by side, and you can just see how big the differences between the screen sizes, but I just love using the MacBook on its own for when I'm traveling, when I was going to school and things like that. And this one is just great for working on bigger projects at home. I love editing my YouTube videos here because the screen is so much bigger. And then when I want to use it, I just close it like this, and then I'm able to just see it on one screen only. One of the other accessories that I use for my desk setup is this cooling mat that I use with my MacBook, and it has this fan in the back right here, which is perfect for cooling off my MacBook. I don't have that M1 chip in the newer MacBooks, so my MacBook tends to overheat sometimes, and this cooling pad is really helpful with that. And then since I connect it into the adapter with my MacBook, I can also connect other things into these USB ports, like my mouse. I also have this case on my MacBook, which I got off of Amazon. I've been meaning to switch it to something that's a little bit more girly like me, maybe something with pink or glitter. And then when I'm making YouTube videos, my MacBook doesn't have a lot of memory, and I don't want to slow it down too much by bogging it down with video files. So I have this external hard drive from Samsung, which is perfect. It runs really fast and I can put a lot of things in it. I think it has 500 gigabytes, so I'll link that in the description as well. Here I have some more decorative pieces. You may have seen these rose gold accents in some of my videos. These are desk accessories that I actually got from Aldi also. They have such great stuff for home, so if you're ever able to find an Aldi in your area, I definitely recommend going. I believe on Sundays they put their new shipment out, and they have so many great things for decorating your house at a nice discounted price. I also have some hand sanitizer here. This is from Trader Joe's, grapefruit and lemon spray. And then I picked this spray up at Target. It has a lavender smell to it, which I love for just spraying on my workspace when I'm ready to get started. I want to refresh it a little bit. Here we have my desktop calendar. This is fun because you have different cards that show you the month, so you can change it and see all of the upcoming months. I just like having it to have a calendar as a glance. I use the calendar on my desktop as well on my computer, but this is just nice for being able to look at really fast. We have one of my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works, Cactus Blossom. I love that candle and I'm almost at the very end of it, but I kind of use it as a stand for this. I love this little quote that I have next to my desk, and I like looking at it every day. It just reminds me of how I've graduated recently and how I'm getting ready to start as a new grad nurse. Just love having this here. I usually like having some kind of drink with me while I'm working, so this is what I'm drinking right now. I love kombucha, and this is the Hum kombucha. It's pomegranate and lemonade. I got a pack of like these marble coasters for all of my drinks to sit on. I think I got this from TJ Maxx, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of has like a little lace pattern to it, which is really nice. So then next to my calendar, I have this little succulent. I got him from Home Depot and I love him so much, but I'm not the best plant mom. I've kind of struggled to keep him alive a little bit, but he is growing, so I'm really proud of that. And I love the pot that it comes in also. As far as the wooden desk goes, it was purchased from Aldi, and it's kind of like a neutral wood color. It also has these drawers that you can pull things out of, which is great. I like using that to keep all of my pens and stuff to give the desk a cleaner look on top, and I'll put things for storage in there, and it has 2 drawers. This is my chair, and it's from Walmart. The material on this chair is also one of my favorite parts. Kind of has like a suede thing going on. So it's just really soft and smooth to sit on, and the color is gorgeous. I love it because it's pink, and then it has these really cute gold legs on the bottom. One of the things that I love surrounding myself with are motivational quotes, and this is what my desktop background looks like. I really love this quote. It's kind of my theme for 2021. It says, "What if I fail? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly?" So I just love thinking about that because I feel like we tend to think about all of the things that could go wrong when we try new things, but we don't think about all the things that could go right either. I'm absolutely in love with the way that it looks and feel so grateful to even have a workstation that looks like this. I know it's not the absolute best by any means, but it's the best for me, and this is great for all of the things that I do as a nurse and content creator. And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it and liked seeing a peek of my desk. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps me out in the algorithm so much, and I would be so grateful. And if you guys could drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of the video was, or if you're planning on getting any of the things mentioned from the video for your own desk. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!